euro, the sterling versus US dollar. To start off, we're seeing the market move to the downside here in the last 20-30 minutes. Why? Because Bank of England's Cunliffe came out and said that the BOE can keep stimulus longer than previously thought. Cites softening in UK pay inflation data, sees evidence of slowing in UK growth as well, and that is sending the pound sterling back to the downside. We also came up to topside trend line here, and also the high price going back to last week's trading, October 21st, couldn't get above each of those levels right at this level, and that also contributed to the downside momentum. But it really wasn't until the Cunliffe comments here that sent the price further to the downside here. Testing a level right now, or an area right here, 161.25 to 30, where we had a high right here, we had a low right here, we had lows right here, we had a high right here. We had highs even early today in this area right here, this yellow area right here. So this should be support for the pound versus US dollar. If it goes below this level, look for a later test of the 200-hour moving average and 50% retracement of last week's move to the downside. Earlier today, the market went right down to that 200-hour moving average and bounced, so that market will remember that level, remember the 50%, remember the 200-hour moving average, and look for support down there against that level.